Hello, guys. Let me tell you, happy June. Listen, this is, in real estate, this is typically one of the busiest times of the year for people to buy and sell homes. But let me tell you, the interest rates are crazy high, right? In fact, they're like up to 7%. Now, yes, interest rates change on a daily basis, right? So they're forever changing, but they're still kind of high right now, right? And interest rates actually determine how much buyers are able to pay to be able to borrow or get a mortgage, right? So, and not only that, there's a lack of inventory, right? Housing inventory, right? So sellers are choosing to sit still. And so that's actually what I wanted to talk about on this video. When the interest rates are high like this, what are your options as a buyer or a seller, right? So listen, if you are in the market to buy a home or considering a home, but you're kind of scared because the interest rates are low, well, here are your options. Number one, you can wait it out. You can wait it out. Or, but the thing is, you can't predict the interest rates, right? You can wait it out. Or number two, please don't come over here, car. Get off the phone. Oh, listen to me talking about get off the phone and I'm on the phone. Lord have mercy. Judge not, right? So listen, the other thing a home buyer can do is apply for home buying assistance, and you should always do that anyway. There's so many home buying assistant programs, grants as well. There's a loan that will allow you to roll up 60% of your student loan into the mortgage. Guys, there are all kinds of programs out there, and I am learning about them every single day more and more. In fact, I have a list of the different home buying programs. NACA is another one where credit doesn't matter, right? Sometimes you don't have to put down a down payment. So anyway, and they help with closing costs sometimes. So there are programs out there to help you become a homeowner, right? The other thing a home buyer can do is buy down the interest rates, right? Now listen, I'm not a lender and I don't play one on TV. But at the same time, you are able to buy down some points. You are able to buy down the interest rates, and I'll be happy to refer you to a lender to find out more information about that. But that's another way to beat these high interest rates for the buyer, right? Okay, now in terms of the seller, in terms of what the seller can do is, don't run across the street. Please don't. Jesus. Is again, I'm sorry, I hate it when I'm driving and somebody try to beat me across the street. Like, come on, dude. Anyway, one thing that a seller can do, can, of course, wait it out. But again, we don't know when the interest rates will change. But another thing a seller can do is get the comps for rentals in the area. And I'll be happy to send that to you if you are interested. Get the comps for rentals in your particular area, and then you can possibly rent out your property if you're not ready to sell. Now, let me just say something about people selling their homes. They always want the best, and of course you should want as much proceeds as you can get, but at the same time, let me just tell you that your home is not always valued at what you pay for, right? It's not what you pay for, right? The interest rates change. Some homes increase in value, some don't. Some areas increase in value and some don't. But for the most part, if the net proceeds is not what you want, because things are not going well, then you may want to wait it out and rent out your property until you can get the amount that you want, right? So those are just some solutions that will help you in terms of how to navigate when the interest rates are high. And I'm sure there are more. I just can't think of them off the top of my head right now, and I'm actually driving. So anyway, once I get home, relax, I'm sure I'll think of something. I always do once I'm done. Anyway, guys, so I hope that has helped you just a little bit. If you have questions, or if you want to move forward, or at least see what your home is valued at right now in today's market, seller's market at that, give me a call at 202-930-DIVA, or you can send me an email at 50plushometeam@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to give you a home market or value report. The other thing you can do is you can go onto my website and you can have a do the home market analysis on your own, and it'll give you a range. You can go to my website, www.50plushometeam.com. Thank you and have a great day.